we are putting a new fire suppression system in the Miata because it never came with one. I mean, it had it in there, as you can see. I went and bought a tank, and I bought a tank from Lifeline, and it was a pretty good deal. And I was like, sweet, so we're just gonna install this and it'll be good to go, right? No. Look at that connection here. Let's kind of pop her up. It looks kind of funny, right? So I was like, oh, that's weird. I'm just gonna go over here and check this out. Wait a minute. Yep, the lines don't line up at all. That system there is a press type system. So what ended up happening is I had to contact Lifeline, talk to a really, really cool guy, and he hooked me up with the hose and all the fittings needed to redo the entire fire system. So today we're gonna take all this out. We're gonna take that out, as that one broke anyways. Undo, oh my God, I just realized all these are rivets. Damn. Anyways, we're gonna take all these rivets out, all these lines out, and we're gonna route around. Come on, guys, I don't even know where to start, so I'm just gonna start cutting random lines off here, since we got new stuff anyways. So we're just gonna start cutting that all off, because we don't need that. I'm gonna try to save these fittings though, at least, because I feel like the fitting portions we can save. Okay, so I got these off here. Got these off here. Probably just gonna cut that, pull it through. He's gonna be taking the seat off for me. The seat's also adjustable, but it hasn't been able to adjust since then, so if we can get the seat out, figure out why. And I think I'm gonna use this in a simulator I'm building. So, might take that out for weight savings. I just wanna let you guys know I have no idea what the hell I'm doing. This is all new to me, and I'm just winging it. A lot of cable. Yeah. This could probably put out 4 Miatas, honestly. It's a little excessive, but I don't like being burned, so. Already injured myself trying to get this hole bigger to run the freaking line through it. And I decided I wanted to grip it and just rip my finger in there. Look at that. Jesus. This car has hurt me more times than this truck has. It's starting to piss me off just a little bit. Just cutting the line so we can add the T-fitting into it. Yeah, well, we all make poor decisions on money. Okay. I got the new system hooked up. I still gotta like fine tune the lining and like bolt it all down because the old system, the clamps are too small. But other than that, it's done, so check it out. This one's set to go towards the manifold area. Then it comes up, around, tucks behind there, back that way, all along the back side, goes off to a T-fitting, comes down here, and then there's that one to do the fuel side. Goes up into this hole, all the way through here. One fire suppressed system nozzle there. Goes down, up through the back through here. And then another one right here towards the fuel tank side. And I just gotta run the full handle cable. Had to modify this bracket a little bit because it was too thick. Teamwork makes the dream work. Let's go. We're going. Woo! Gotta practice that left-hand driving. Rally car, Jesus.
Sporty.
Hopefully these work. And then they only have one packet of these lines, so we should just make that work.
Oh no! Oh, no! How did that happen? You just got out of my windshield.
So guys, we got it all installed. Lifeline made this kit just, I mean, dummy proof. All the connections were awesome. Literally the only thing we needed was some like management, I guess, tube management stuff, and then a brake line cutter, like a little diamond disc that you rotate. But let me show you the system. Originally, the bay only had one system, and it was sitting over there in the corner. If you remember in the beginning of this video, but it was sitting in the corner. Now it has two. One right here, and that would be on the heat side. Boom, to the fuel side, so it has this area covered. Boom, cabin is covered, so it's got the cabin. Then the new pull tab, the new pull tab with the safety pin on it so people won't be pulling it and stuff. And then bam, to the 4-liter fire system, nice and secured. Looks good. I feel a little bit safer. So basically the way it works is, oh, and then I got one back here to cover the fuel side. But basically the way this works is you got this locked here and this here. So when you reach inside during a fire and you pull that pull handle, this clip will be forced past here, open up, and then get it stuck down. Of course, you pull all these pins prior to the race. That's just safety precautions. And it missed like crazy. But yeah, like I said, one of the easiest systems I've ever installed. This is the first time I've ever installed a fire system before. If you guys need anything fire suppression system related, safety-wise, seriously go to Lifeline USA. They're awesome to deal with. The prices are pretty reasonable. Their servicing fee is awesome. As always, guys, really thank you for watching. I love every single one of you. Don't forget to leave a comment about your opinions, share, spread the love. All I'm trying to do is give you guys entertainment, and it makes me happy. Love you guys. Peace out. As always, hit that apex throttle out and keep going to your number one. Trust me, I'm a mechanic.